Hello, dear students. In the previous lectures, we studied about the components of food, and food main component we divided are nutrients, roughage, and water. These two we have already did. In nutrients, we studied about carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats. Okay, roughage also we talk about sources and function of this roughage. Now our last component of the water, which is very quite good essential one. Okay, water. Water we use is simply mostly we get from the plain drinking. Okay, but it also available in what form? Like a food you eat, in food also, like tea, beverages. Okay, vegetables they also contain water, dear. Okay, chapatis they also contain. So these there are different sources from water we take inside, but why we are taking? So what are the function of water role playing? So function is very quite important. First thing, it transports nutrients and other substances, you can say other substances throughout the body. So mean to say water is helping in moving the nutrients. So that's why its importance is quite good, because you have taken nutrients, but if you haven't taken the water, they will not move throughout your body. So first thing, water is the quite good importance it have on vital for our body. So first good function it do is transport the nutrients. Second, it helps in maintaining temperature of the body by sweating. Okay, if temperature inside the body is higher, the sweats will start coming down, okay, to cools down the body. Now third, first is transport the nutrients throughout the body. It helps in maintaining the temperature of the body by sweating. Okay, and it transport nutrients, it helps in maintaining temperature of the body by sweating. Stop. Yes, and third one, it absorbs nutrients from the food. Okay, to absorbing the nutrients from the food, that's why also water is necessary. Okay, and water you get from where? Plain drinking, food, tea, vegetables, chapatis. So you know now the importance of the water and the sources of the water. Now sometimes water loss occur due to what? Vomiting. Okay, that is called dehydration. Dehydration word is a excessive loss of water. That is known as dehydration. Excessive loss of water from body. Why it happen? Like vomiting, diarrhea. Okay, these are some things which cause loss of water in excess. This thing is called dehydration, and dehydration led to what? Weakness in the body. Dehydration leads the weakness in the body. So that's why we should rehydrate. How? First they are telling ORS. Okay, ORS is known as oral rehydration system. They are saying that ORS is available at a public health center at free of cost. But ORS you can prepare as well. First thing, what you needed? 1 liter water. Mix it with 4 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, and once a few drops, or you can say few drops of lemon juice. Okay. This is your ORS particularly. It will rehydrate you, mean to say the water conditions become normalized again. Okay. So now water sources from where we are getting, what are the important functions they are going, what are the loss of this problems, dehydration which occur due to vomiting, diarrhea, some problem, some particular illness occur in the body which cause weakness in the body, and which can be removed by what? Oral rehydration system particularly. You can prepare it at your home at even. Okay. Now the next thing is we are discussing our balanced diet. What is the difference between balanced diet and diet? Diet is food you eat, food we eat throughout the day. Throughout the day is called your diet. Okay. But we need, you know, that some particular nutrients, roughage, water, these all are needed particularly in equal. So what we call a balanced diet, the food that contains all the important nutrients, roughage, and water for proper growth and development is called balanced diet. So balanced diet should have proper concentrated amount of everything particularly. Okay, that is balanced diet. A balanced diet depend, however, balanced diet depends on what? There are many factors like age, okay, occupation, conditions also responsible sometimes to change the balanced diet. Like age, what? Like a child need more protein food as compared to adult for growth. So that's why a child diet should have more proteins rich should be. Same is true for the pregnant woman. Pregnant woman diet should rich in protein as well and minerals as well, because they are breastfeeding all these things. Okay. Next, occupation as well. Occupation how? Like labor, they do a lot of work. Okay, labor, athletes, okay, rickshaw puller, they need more energy, so their diet should have more carbohydrates, or you can say fat, so their diet should be more rich. So a balanced diet which contains all the important nutrients, sufficient water for proper growth and development is called balanced diet. And you know it is dependent on some other things as well. It can change. Balanced diet is different for difference. It depends on age, occupation, and necessary factors. Okay. So today your homework is read water topic and balanced diet topic. Read water and balanced diet topic. This is your homework. Thank you.